And today I want to do that for you, and really there's no recipe for this, so I'm just kind of winging it. So I want to start with a little bit of olive oil in a frying pan, maybe about 1/4 cup. And to that, I want to add some onions. So here's a large white onion that's just been diced up, and I'm going to put it in the olive oil and just get that softened a bit while I work on the carciofo. And to the onions, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic, about a good big clove of garlic that's been diced up. I want to keep that over medium heat now. Just watch that. And then you have to put the artichoke into lemon water. So now we're going to make this a pezzettino, or in umido as I call it. So we want to cut it up into small pieces like so, you see? I'm making these, about 1/4 inch. And when I had these in Sicily, it was March, and that was artichoke season. And then they can go into a bowl of water that has lemon juice with it, and that's going to help prevent the artichokes from browning. You know, I really didn't get a recipe for this, so I'm just kind of winging it today. I think I'll put in a little celery with that. So here we have a couple stalks of celery. And you know, Sicily isn't the only place where wonderful artichokes grow. You also find them in Liguria and in Rome. And just want to mix that around a little bit, and that's starting to look really good. And now some tomatoes. And here I've got plum tomatoes because that's what you would find in Sicily. And you just want to cut those up into pieces. And I'm not even going to take the skins off of this, although if you wanted to, you could put the tomatoes into boiling water for about a minute or so, and then the skins will come off very easily. So cut the tomatoes up into chunks. And I like this with this because I think it just gives a very nice color. So in they go. And then with that, I'm going to want, some herbs. And here I've got mint, because you find a lot of mint in Sicilian cooking. So I'm going to put the mint in, and that's about, I would say, 3 hefty tablespoons of mint. Doesn't it look beautiful already? And now with that, I want a little bit of salt and pepper. Now while that's in there, I can drain my artichokes. So just put them in a colander, get them all drained off, and I would say that this is about 4 artichokes, 4 medium-sized artichokes that we've cut up into 1/4 inch pieces. And then bring them over and dry them off a little bit. You see how nice they stayed. They're not browned too much at all, because once artichokes hit the air after they've been cleaned, it's all over. So now they can go in. So this is going right in with my tomatoes and my celery, and actually this is a very beautiful looking dish. And now what we need is to give this a little bit of liquid, and I think chicken broth would be nice with this. So I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit and add fresh, not canned, chicken broth, and that's about 2 cups. If you had to use canned chicken broth, well, che peccato, what can I say? So there, that's all that's to that recipe, I think. I mean, I just made it up, so we'll have to call it alla Mariana. So now, what I'm going to do is cover this